Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to print a RYANAIR boarding pass from the app. Before you can print your RYANAIR boarding pass, you must check in online. RYANAIR allows online check-in from 48 hours up to 2 hours before the scheduled departure time. Visit RYANAIR website or mobile app and follow the instructions to complete the check-in process. You will be prompted to enter your reservation details, including your booking reference and last name. During the online check-in process, you will have the option to choose how you want to receive your boarding pass. Select Print Boarding Pass to generate a printable PDF version. Once you have selected Print Boarding Pass, RYANAIR will generate a PDF file containing your boarding pass. Save this file to your device or email it to yourself for easy access at Print Shop London. Head over to Print Shop London at your convenience, bringing along the saved PDF of your boarding pass on a USB drive, mobile device, or email. The staff will be ready to assist you in printing. Present the saved PDF file to Print Shop's London team, and they will print your RYANAIR boarding pass for you. They offer a range of printing options to suit your preferences, ensuring your boarding pass is clear and legible. Once your boarding pass is printed, take a moment to review all the information on it. Ensure that your name, flight details, and travel dates are correct before leaving the shop. Double check the printing quality to avoid any issues at the airport. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.